There are numerous programming languages available, each with its own strengths, purposes, and areas of application. But why should we learn Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python has since become one of the most popular and widely used programming languages globally. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability and a clean syntax, making it accessible for beginners while also powerful enough for experienced developers. Some key features of Python are as follows. Number 1, easy to learn. Python's syntax is straightforward and easy to understand, making it an excellent choice for beginners and those new to programming. Number 2, versatility. Python is a multi-purpose language used in various domains such as web development, data science, machine learning, automation, scientific computing, and more. Number 3, interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code can be executed line by line without the need for compilation, making development and debugging easier. Number 4, extensive standard library. Python comes with a rich standard library that provides built-in modules and functions for a wide range of tasks, reducing the need for external dependencies. Number 5, open source. Python is open source, with an active development community that continuously improves and updates the language, ensuring its relevance and evolution over time. Overall, Python's combination of simplicity, power, and community support makes it an excellent choice for individuals and organizations looking to develop software, analyze data, build web applications, create automation scripts, or explore the realms of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Its popularity continues to grow, making it a valuable skill for developers and tech enthusiasts alike.